Imagine a world where the air you breathe, the water you drink, and the food you eat are all contaminated with tiny invisible plastic particles. This is not a dystopian future, but the reality we live in today. Welcome to the world of microplastics, a growing threat to our health and environment. Microplastics are everywhere in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. They can come from the breakdown of larger plastic items like water bottles and plastic bags, but they are also intentionally added to many products we use every day, such as exfoliating beads in face washes and toothpastes, glitter in makeup and decorations, fibers released from synthetic clothing during washing, and tire dust from driving on roads. These tiny plastic particles, less than 5 mm in size, easily pass through water filtration systems and end up contaminating our oceans, soil, and air. So why should we be concerned about microplastics? A growing body of research is revealing the potential health risks. Microplastics have been found in human blood, lungs, and even newborn babies' placentas. They can pass through cell membranes and cross the blood-brain barrier. In lab studies, microplastic exposure caused cell death, inflammation, metabolic disorders, and oxidative stress in human cells and animals. Some of the chemicals added to plastics are known to disrupt hormones and are linked to reproductive issues and other health problems. While the full health impacts are still being studied, there is concern that chronic microplastic exposure could contribute to respiratory issues, immune dysfunction, neurotoxicity, and even cancer risk. Beyond human health, microplastics are having a devastating impact on the environment. Marine life like fish, birds, and whales are consuming microplastics, causing suffocation, starvation, and behavioral changes. This plastic moves up the food chain to seafood eaten by humans. Microplastics can alter soil structure and chemistry as they build up in agricultural lands, impacting food production. Plastic particles in the atmosphere can even influence weather and climate by affecting the way clouds form. While the scope of the problem is daunting, we can all take steps to reduce microplastic pollution. Avoid single-use plastics and choose reusable options instead. Wash synthetic clothing less frequently and use a microfiber-catching laundry bag. Support legislation banning unnecessary microplastics in products. Properly dispose of plastic waste and participate in cleanup efforts. Microplastics are a clear and present danger that we can no longer afford to ignore. Our health and the health of our planet depends on the actions we take now to turn the tide on plastic pollution. Together, we can work towards a future where clean air, pure water, and plastic-free food are a reality for all. The time to act is now.